Hi guys, good day. Another important topic that I'm going to discuss or tackle this day will be focused on role of financial management purely in business. Now, when we talk about financial management, this is very important since financial management is concerned with the proper specification of the financial goals of the firm, as well as the measurement of performance relative to the achievement of these objectives. It is the responsibility of financial management to allocate funds to current and fixed assets, to obtain the best mix of financing alternatives, and to develop an appropriate dividend policy within the context of the firm's objectives. These functions are performed on a day-to-day basis, as well as through infrequent use of the capital markets to acquire new funds. The daily activities of financial management include credit management, inventory control, and the receipt and disbursement of funds. Less routine functions include the sale of stocks and bonds and the establishment of capital, budgeting, and dividend plans. More recently, financial management has focused on risk-return relationships and the maximization of return for a given level of risk. The appropriate risk-return trade-off must be determined to maximize the market value of the firm for its stakeholders. The risk-return decision will influence not only the operational side of the business, but also the financing mix. Okay, since the objectives of the firm ventures exist in a system composed of overlapping and intertwining economic, social, and political subsystems, it is not surprising that most firms' top managers subscribe publicly to a set of multiple objectives needed. These objectives may possibly be divided into these categories: financial goals, which refer to shareholders, wealth maximization, and social community goals, which pertains to providing benefits to its community through pollution control, equitable hiring practices, and fair trade and pricing standards. These are some to be considered. Thank you, and for the next time around.